I'm going to do an example now of the rear view camera and the digital rear view camera here. Backup. Okay, now I have the backup camera and the rear view digital screen. You can see that this screen up here is a lot more zoomed in than this one is. This is a pretty wide angle. Using both of these in conjunction while driving on, say, long trips or where you have the back of your car is blocked, I think is a handy thing to have. You can see more detail with the zoomed in image here, but you can check your blind spots with this camera here. You can see the big difference here. Look at the windshield of the car and here. Big difference.
And that's it for today's short video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.